Okay guys, we are down in my larger shed, the one I'm working on. I want to do a restoration on a new tool I've got, and it's going to need quite a bit of room, so I thought, right, I need to get it warmed down here. I have brought out my natural draft burner. I've literally just fired it up. I'm going to give this a minute or two to warm up properly, and then I'll be back with you. So yeah, for waste oil heating videos, which seems to be everyone's favourite thing that I do, you know, it's the silly thing I do. Yeah, please like and subscribe. I still got to do the build video for everyone once I hit the 1,000 on my little, like, tiny little waste oil heater. This is a different oil heater with no electronics involved, no moving parts. You just fill up the fuel tank, light it and leave it, and then top it off as the day goes by. It will burn up to 5 litres an hour. I try and burn around about 2 litres an hour as it gets really hot. Like 5 litres an hour has the whole casing and the flue glowing on this, so I try and keep it about 2 litres an hour. Yeah, so I'll get on with that now. You can sort of see the glow. My camera's not picking up on it too well. This is me running it sort of as low as I can. If I take the bit of steel away from the air vent in the front, the whole bloody thing glows. So this is it running down low. I'll put the light back on now so it's like you can see me. Okay, whilst everyone seems to like my little forced air stove, the one with a little glass window on it, I'm at about 850 subscribers now, so it won't be long before you get the build video. I kind of like this little stove. This is based off of like a rocket stove idea. I'd had an idea for this, and then I saw oil burner, Australian chap, who had done something similar for like a garden heater. I wanted to go one better and do it so as it could be used indoors. Now, to use it indoors, you had to stop the backfiring, which is this. So that bit of flame flicking out now and again is a bit of a problem. My my favourite option is to whack a big old bit of exhaust pipe over it. I don't think you can see that, can you? The flame came up the bloody thing. There we go. Just blow the flame back down. Yeah, so bit of exhaust or anything will help with this heater. There's a video on my channel of me building this one and a smaller one. This is quite small. I think that was like 90 by 90 mil box section. Got a tape measure here. Is it 90 by 90? No, it's 100 by 100. And it's 300ml deep for the burn chamber, and well, for the fuel chamber, sorry, we'll call that the fuel chamber, and 400ml high for the burn chamber. Oops. So this has no moving parts, no fan, nothing like that. It's just I'm going to take off the stand, easier. So no moving parts or anything, just natural draft. The air vents here were designed because of that sort of flashback effect. It would come out of the secondary air intake. So these are secondary air intakes. They are extended so as when it does flashback they're long enough to contain the unburnt fuel, suck it back up and burn it off. And just for the moment I've got some 2-inch pipe going up into a flue I've made just to take the exhaust out of the shed. And you can see it's starting to glow again there, even though I've tried to shut it down. That will just get like more and more intense. So no moving parts, no power, no nothing. And if you want to not have the bit of pole, I don't know why it works, but it does. I just pop that on the front, and now it will get hot. For some reason this shorter, I called it a muzzle, really starts flaring this up after a minute or two. So yeah, nice and simple. There's going to be some new heater videos soon. I've got some little bits coming from eBay that I've been wanting to incorporate into a build for like safety features, I guess you'd call it. A lot of people ask questions, and these are ideas I've had to solve those problems. And as you can see, heater's chugging away. It's going to get hotter in a minute, so I'll have to move away from the heater, but yeah.